Hello students, Sairam, welcome back. Students, let us continue with EVS 1 Geography, first chapter, our Earth and our solar system. Now, before starting, let me give you a short recap of what we have done in previous video. We had studied about the stars, planets, the solar system, 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, orbit, satellites, dwarf planet and asteroid. Students, have you ever observed such things in your day-to-day life? What causes a ball you throw in the air to come down again? What causes a glass you drop to fall to the floor? The force that causes a pen that rolls off your desk to fall onto the ground. Now, just see this picture. Whose picture is it? Yes, this is a picture of a great scientist, Isaac Newton. Yes. Students, he has discovered gravitational force. Yes, see this next picture. Yes, as the story goes, he discovered the force by seeing an apple fall from a tree on the ground. He wondered why all apples fall vertically downward and not at an angle to the vertical. Why do they not fly off in an horizontal direction? After much thought, he came to the conclusion that the earth must be attracting the apple towards itself, and this attractive force must be directed towards the center of the earth. The direction from the apple on the tree to the center of the earth is the vertical direction at the position of the apple, and thus the apple falls vertically downwards. In this way, he discovered gravitational force. Now let's see the next. Gravity. Due to the force of gravity, all the heavenly bodies exert a pull or attract on one another. Yes, students, exert means to make use of something or to make a big effort. Means due to the force of gravity, all the heavenly bodies make a big effort, a pull or attraction on one another. Now our next point. Planet keeps on revolving around the sun at a fixed distance and in a fixed orbit due to two reasons. Distance means the amount of space between two places or things. One example, see. For example, moon is the heavenly body situated at the closest distance to the earth. It therefore appears to be big, but it is much smaller than the sun. Now, the next Orbit. Here orbit means specific path of the planets. Yes, now the two reasons. First, sun exerts a gravitational pull on all the planets. Gravitational pull means gravitation, as I told you, gravitation means movement towards or attraction to something. Means some sun exerts a gravitational pull on all the planets. Second one, planets have the tendency to move away from the sun. Tendency means something that a person or things usually does, a way of behaving. In the same way, the planets have their own tendency to move away from the sun. Next, due to the combined effect of these two forces, planet shows revolution in a specific orbit. Means they revolve in a same orbit, means path. Now the next, yes, what is a space? Yes, the emptiness between and beyond the stars and planets are called space or outer space. Emptiness. Emptiness means the state of containing nothing, and between means in the space in the middle of the two things. Beyond means on or over to the other side of the things. Now the next, students, see what is space launch technology. Space launch technology means sending some objects into space with power against the force of gravity is possible only due to space launch technology. Now, let's see the next, that is India's space mission. Now, what is India's space mission? Yes, Indian Space Research Organization. The abbreviation is ISRO. ISRO means ISRO has launched spacecraft to the moon and Mars. This mission were unmanned. Now students, what is unmanned? Yes, unmanned means there were no people on board this spacecraft. Yes, now our first space mission was Chandrayaan-1. Yes. On 22nd October 2008, Indian Space Research Organization means ISRO launched a spacecraft to the moon. The mission is known as Chandrayaan-1. Now this is a picture of Chandrayaan-1. Yes students, now our second space mission was Mangalyaan. MOM. We even say MOM. MOM means Mars Orbit Mission. Mangalyaan is another important Indian space mission. It is known as MOM or Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th November 2013. It got established in an orbit around the planet Mars on 24th September 2014. ISRO achieved this feat in its first attempt. Both these missions are unmanned. The object of the mission is a deeper study of the moon and the Mars. Now this is a picture of Mangalyaan. Students, see this photograph of the region around India taken by Mangalyaan. Students, people have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They always wanted to reach them. However, to send some objects from the earth into space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. Rocket technology or space launch technology is used for that purpose. One of the Diwali firecracker is called a rocket. See this picture of Diwali rockets. Yes, the next is rocket. A rocket firecracker is packed with explosive. Now students, what is explosive? Yes, a substance that is used for causing explosion for sudden and extremely violent burst. Yes, this explosive burn rapidly, producing a lot of energy such that it is pushed against the gravity with a great speed. Rapidly means happening with great speed. Similarly, very powerful rockets are used for sending spacecraft into space. Spacecraft weighing several thousands of tons can be launched into space due to such powerful rockets. Now, this is a picture of space launch using a rocket. Now, the next. Who are astronauts? Yes, astronauts means scientists also travel in the spacecraft. In some mission, they are called astronauts. Now the next, Indian astronauts. Who is our Indian astronaut? Can you recognize this picture? Yes, Rakesh Sharma. Very good. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to go into space in 1984. He spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO and the Soviet Intercosmos. Seeing India from space, he said that it looked, what he said? सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. Now the next, an Indian American woman in space. Who is she? Yes, Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian American astronaut and the first Indian woman to go into space. Kalpana Chawla was born on 17th March 1962 and died on 1st February 2003. Was an American astronaut of Indian origin. Indian origin means she was basically from India. Yes. She first flew in 1997 on the space shuttle Columbia. She served on the shuttle as of mission specialist and the main person sleeping the shuttle's robotic arms. She was one of 7 crew members who died aboard Space Shuttle Columbia during mission STS-107 when the shuttle disintegrated on re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Yes. Now see the next one. Who is she? Yes, an Indian American woman in space, Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, previous name Sunita Pandya, is an American astronaut who set records on her 2 flights to the International Space Station ISS. Sunita Williams, born on 19th September 1965 in United States, is currently at the International Space Station ISS as a member of Expedition 14. A NASA astronaut, she is the second woman of Indian origin after the late Kalpana Chawla to go into space after being selected by NASA. She was married to Michael Williams. Her family roots go back to Gujarat from her father's side. She carried a copy of Bhagavad Gita, a small statue of Ganesha. She completed her master's in engineering management from the Florida Institute of Technology. Now let us see the next one. Man-made satellites. What are man-made satellites? Man-made satellites are put around the orbit of the Earth. They can remain in space for many years. Man-made satellite can prove important information for agriculture, environment and weather forecasting, map making, research for water and mineral wealth and telecommunication. Students, you have to always remember this. Space scientists have not yet been able to find a single other planet which has life on it. Therefore, our Earth is an invaluable planet. The degradation of its environment for any reason will be a threat to the existence of life itself. Yes, you have understood up to here what we have studied? Okay, now we are going to see what we have learned. We have learned today distance, gravity, space, space launch technology, India's space mission, Chandrayaan-1, Mangalyaan, rockets, astronauts, man-made satellites. And now we are going to do one activity. Yes, are you ready? Okay. I will ask you some question and you will give me the answer. I will help you out with the answers. Activity C. Who am I? A. You can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Yes, now think about the answer. Very good. Moon. B. I have my own light. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. Yes, very good. Sun. C. I turn around myself around a planet and also around a star. What would be the answer? Yes, satellite. Very good. See the D. I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Who am I? Planet. Very good. Now see the E one. No other planet have a living world like mine. Who am I? Earth. Yes. Now the next one. I am the nearest star to the earth. Yes, think fast. Yes. Sun. Very good. Yes. Now students, we have done lot in this period now. We will stop here and we will meet in the next period. Till then, Sairan. Thank you.